Welcome to Ask and Learn.
So here in this problem, we have Betty and her dog playing on ice, and the dog is going to leap towards Betty, and then they're going to achieve a different velocity. So this part is the most important part, the slippery ice, which tells us that the ice has no friction. Which means that her and her dog are going to be at that constant speed as soon as she catches her dog. So to do that, we just need to calculate the momentum before and equate it to the momentum after she catches her dog. So the momentum before, momentum initial is going to be mass of Betty times the velocity of Betty plus the mass of her dog multiplied by the velocity of her dog. Here, Betty has a mass of 40 kilograms. And since she's just standing on ice, she has a velocity of 0 meters per second. And then her dog is 15 kilograms of mass and a velocity of 3 meters per second. So 40 times 0 is just 0. The initial momentum is going to be equal to 0 plus 15 times 3 is going to be 45. The initial momentum is 45 kilograms meters per second. Now the final momentum final is going to be equal to the dog and Betty are together, so the mass of Betty and her dog multiplied by the final velocity that they achieve. So Betty has a mass of 40 kilograms and her dog has a mass of 15 kilograms. So if we sum both of these together, we get that the final momentum is going to be equal to 55 times the velocity of both of them. But we know that the initial momentum has to be equal to the final momentum. So we have that 55 final velocity is going to be equal to 45 kilograms meters per second. Now we just have to solve this equation, and we have 45 divided by 55. We have that final velocity is going to be equal to 0.818, etc. meters per second. So we can just say that the final velocity of Betty is approximately 0.82 meters per second for her and her dog.